Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Hello from Garbage Car Garage. Well, as you've seen, I took off my intake manifold, replaced the gasket, cleaned a little bit, watched, looked around what's happening up there, and now it's assembled already. But I have like old, old unfinished job here, which also relates to intake. So I'm gonna finish this in a right way. I'm not saying that that's a bad thing, but it looks bad, and it's not very, let's say, long term. So I have like a good idea for this. So I bought like this large shrink tube it's large in diameter, and I'm gonna wrap this thing around, remove the airflow meter here, and just wrap this whole metal tube with that, and that's gonna be like uniform seal up there, and no air will gonna get through here, through there, or whatever. But it's sealed there with the gasket maker, but that will be better to look, and definitely a better way to finish this. So let's shrink that. And voila! Very respectable solution, I would say. Awesome. So change the spark plugs, made a part of the cold air here. It's not completed, but now air filter sits here like steadily, and we'll wrap this up in later videos, because I'm gonna need to build this up. Also, to put a fresh air, I'm wondering to do that from this side of the grill, because there's no radiator, nothing there, and so I'm gonna need to do some piping here to put a fresh cold air in this box. And yeah, it's freaking late now, so let's change the oil and go home. The old goes out, the new comes in.
And one of the last thing is I deleted all the breathing system that went to the intake manifold. I made an exit down here under the floor of the car. So that's the last thing. Oh, thank God. Okay. And the hose goes from here to the bottom, down here. So thank God. I'm going home. See you next time.